Google Authenticator and Microsoft Authenticator are two of the most widely used tools for adding an extra layer of protection to everyday accounts. They both generate time-based codes that help keep your information safe, but they take slightly different approaches that can make one feel more comfortable depending on how you use your devices. Google Authenticator is built around simplicity. You open the app and your codes are right there, displayed in a clean list without distractions. It is lightweight, easy to set up, and focuses on doing one job well. To add an account, you scan a QR code and the app instantly begins generating codes for your login. This makes it a great choice for anyone who wants a straightforward tool that works consistently. Google Authenticator also recently added the ability to back up your codes to your account, which makes moving to a new phone much less stressful. The app does not try to manage passwords or offer advanced features. It sticks to its core purpose, and that clarity is part of its strength. Microsoft Authenticator brings a more feature-rich experience. It still generates secure codes, but it offers additional tools that can make your logins faster and more convenient. When you use a Microsoft account, you can approve a login with a single tap instead of typing a code. This one feature alone makes a noticeable difference if you sign in often. The app also allows you to store your codes in the cloud, protect the app with your fingerprint or face, and manage certain passwords. The interface feels more modern and organized, though it does include more menus compared to Google Authenticator. These added features appeal to users who want more control or who rely on Microsoft services for work, school, or personal productivity. It becomes more than a code generator. It becomes a daily security companion. Both apps are trusted. The difference lies in how much you want your authentication tool to do. If you want simple protection, choose Google Authenticator. If you want speed, convenience, and a bit more flexibility, choose Microsoft Authenticator. Either option gives everyday users a strong and dependable way to protect their online accounts.